Oh no, look at that truck, covered in mud, what messy luck. Tony says we need to clean, make it shine and brightly gleam. Let's wash away the yucky muck. Tony grabs the hose so tight, ready for a wash so bright. Bucket soap, all set to go, time to make that truck glow. Cleaning time feels just right. Splash, splash, water flies, droplets dancing in the skies. Tony sprays with happy cheer, make all the dirt to cheer, making all the disappear. Fun cleaning brings big smiles. Bubble, bubble, foam so white, floating softly, shining bright. Tony scrubs the truck with care, bubbles flying everywhere. Cleaning magic feels so light. Big round wheels were full of dirt, Tony cleans them, no more hurt. Scrub, scrub, brush goes round, mud falls off onto the ground. Now they shine and look alert. Wipe, wipe, windows clear, now the shiny glass is here. Tony smiles and cleans so neat, making truck look fresh and sweet. Sparkles shining far and near. Water rinses all the foam, dirty spots no longer home. Tony sprays from side to side, clean truck ready for a ride. Shiny like a bright chrome. Look, look, shiny truck, clean and bright, what great luck. Tony claps with joy and pride, standing happy by its side. Best clean truck, wow, so stuck. Soft cloth wiping left and right, drying truck so clean and bright. Tony works with gentle cares everywhere, everything feels just right. Truck is clean from top to base, happy smile upon its face. Tony cheers, we did it right, everything is shining bright. Cleanest truck in every place.